Meet the Cruiserfix 3 car seat and see how to fit it. First, pick it up and pull on this button to extend the Isofix Plus connectors. Turn them around. If necessary, release the hooks using these locks. Slide the connectors until the green indicators appear. Push the button at the front and push the seat as far back as possible. If the seat does not sit flush with the backrest, raise or remove the headrest. In cars without Isofix, the connectors must be folded under the seat. The height, width, and depth of the seat can be adjusted to the size of the passenger. Use this handle to adjust the height of the headrest and the width of the shoulder protector. The child's temples should be in the narrowest part of the headrest. The eye level indicator helps to adjust this correctly. Now, set the correct support position. Make sure that the child's body is against the backrest. Pull the shoulder belt through the guide behind the headrest, the lap belt under the armrest, and then both belts under the other armrest. Then fasten the buckle. Tighten the straps and check that they are not twisted. The lap belt must be pulled as low as possible over the child's hips, and the shoulder belt between their shoulder and neck. To remove the seat, start by removing the belt from the guide. Press the unlock button and move the seat forward. Release the Isofix Plus connectors by sliding the locks forward. Press the unlock button and slide the Isofix Plus connectors into the corresponding recesses. Then remove the seat from the car. The Cruiserfix 3 cover can be easily removed and washed at 30 degrees. If you have any doubts, see the paper instructions or contact us at www.kiddy.com.
Kiddy. Engineered with love.